YouTube and TikTok are two of the best platforms for affiliate marketing because users come looking for recommendations, reviews, and buying guidance. On YouTube, long-form content like reviews, comparisons, and tutorials attract viewers who are ready to purchase. On TikTok, short-form videos can go viral quickly and drive massive traffic to your affiliate links. Both platforms can be fully automated with AI. Scripts, visuals, voiceovers, editing, and posting can be generated in minutes. Faceless channels work extremely well, making this model perfect even if you don't want to appear on camera. You're leveraging platforms where users expect product advice, which makes conversion rates significantly higher than blogs or social posts. With the right system, YouTube plus TikTok can become your biggest passive affiliate traffic engine. Start by identifying video topics that convert well. AI can analyze search demand, trending products, and high-intent keywords like review, unboxing versus best X for Y and top 10 tools. These queries indicate that viewers are close to buying something. Next, ask AI to analyze competitor channels and extract their best performing videos based on views, likes, and engagement. From there, AI can generate 50 to 100 video ideas tailored to your niche. You'll quickly see which types of products trigger strong buying intent. From AI tools to fitness gadgets, kitchen equipment, beauty products, or online software. Prioritize these topics first. With AI guiding your research, you skip trial and error and go straight to proven, high-converting content ideas. AI makes video creation incredibly efficient. You can generate full scripts for your YouTube or TikTok videos in seconds by providing the product name and a content style: review, listicle, comparison, tutorial. AI can add hooks, storytelling elements, pros, cons, feature breakdowns, and call to actions tailored for affiliate conversions. Once the script is ready, convert it into a professional voiceover using tools like 11 Labs or Play.ht. For TikTok, AI can shorten your long-form script into 15 to 30-second clips automatically. AI caption generators add subtitles instantly, boosting retention. This means you can produce an entire batch of YouTube videos or TikTok clips in a single afternoon. With AI handling content creation, you can publish far more consistently than traditional creators. Editing is where most creators get stuck, but AI now does the heavy lifting. Tools like CapCut, Pika Labs, Runway, and Descript can automatically assemble your script, voiceover, visuals, music, and transitions into a polished video. AI can even generate B-roll footage, product animations, and overlays for you. You can create multiple formats from one script: a long YouTube video, a short TikTok clip, and several Instagram reels, all generated from the same base content. Faceless automation channels work extremely well here because AI visuals and stock-style B-roll make the video look professional without needing to record yourself. In minutes, you can turn AI script plus AI voiceover plus AI visuals into a complete ready-to-upload video that drives affiliate clicks. Once your video is ready, AI helps you optimize and publish it for maximum affiliate conversions. Use AI to generate high CTR titles, persuasive descriptions, and keyword-rich tags. Create custom thumbnails using Midjourney or Canva to increase click-through rates. Add affiliate links in your YouTube description, pinned comments, TikTok bio, or Linktree style page. Scheduling tools let you upload to multiple platforms automatically. AI analytics can evaluate performance, retention, engagement, CPM, and click-through rates, and suggest improvements for future videos. The key to scaling affiliate success is consistency. Aim for 3 to 7 videos per week across YouTube and TikTok. With AI automation, this is easy. Over time, your channel becomes a passive traffic machine delivering daily clicks, conversions, and commissions.